Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Introduction to perpendicular parking. Perpendicular parking is a common skill every driver needs, especially in busy parking lots like shopping centers or offices. It involves parking your car at a 90-degree angle to the curb or line, fitting neatly between two vehicles or lines. Step 1. Choose the right spot. Start by selecting a parking space that suits your vehicle's size. Look for a spot with enough room on both sides to avoid tight squeezes. If you're a beginner, opt for a space with fewer cars nearby to reduce pressure. Check for any signs or markings indicating reserved or handicapped spaces to ensure you're parking legally. Step 2. Position your car. Drive past the chosen spot and align your car parallel to the vehicle on the right side of the space, or the line if no car is present. Stop when your rear bumper is slightly past the parking space, about 2 to 3 feet away from the neighboring car. This distance gives you room to maneuver without risking a collision. Step 3. Signal and check surroundings. Turn on your right turn signal, or left, depending on the side of the space, to alert other drivers. Check your mirrors and blind spots for pedestrians, cars, or obstacles. Look over your shoulder to ensure the parking space is still clear. Staying aware of your surroundings prevents accidents and keeps the process smooth. Step 4. Turn and reverse. Shift into reverse and turn your steering wheel fully toward the parking space. For a right side spot, turn the wheel right. For a left side spot, turn left. Begin reversing slowly, keeping your speed steady to maintain control. Glance at your side mirrors to monitor your car's alignment with the parking lines. Step 5. Straighten and adjust. As your car enters the space and becomes parallel with the lines, straighten the steering wheel. Continue reversing until your car is centered in the space, with equal room on both sides. If needed, pull forward slightly to adjust your position, ensuring you're within the lines and not too close to other vehicles. Step 6. Park and exit. Once centered, shift into park, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake. Check that your car is within the lines and not blocking adjacent spaces. Exit carefully, watching for nearby traffic or pedestrians. Lock your car and double-check you've parked correctly to avoid issues. Tips for success. Practice in an empty lot to build confidence. Use parking aids like backup cameras or sensors if available. Always take your time, rushing leads to mistakes. With patience and repetition, perpendicular parking becomes second nature, making you a skilled and confident driver. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.